Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I really hope that you are having an incredible Christmas, and just before we get into it, I'm going to stick some Michael Bublé on the TV because it's not Christmas unless Bublé is playing in the background. And I'm also going to go ahead and make some hot chocolate because you can't have too many hot chocolates this time of year. I'm going to light a nice cozy candle and make a list seeing what I need to get done today.
It's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the coffee cup.
These are all the products that I want to use today. I got everything here from B&M and I just love all of it. I'm going to be sticking with the Flash all-purpose spray today in the spiced apple, and I'm also going to be using the Febreze air mist in spiced apple as well because that scent is just gorgeous. And obviously I'm going to be filling the sink today with Zoflora because that is my favourite thing to do, and this is absolutely beautiful. It's the warm cinnamon scent, and I think that has got to be my all-time favourite scent of Zoflora, so absolutely love that. I'm also going to be doing the sink with my Cif cream today. If you've been here before, you know I'm obsessed with the Cif cream, and also the Star Drops white vinegar just to get a nice shine on everything. And I'm also going to be going in and doing the laundry today with the Mrs. Hinch Winter Edition. This smells beautiful. This is like you're wearing perfume when you're not wearing anything. It's so pretty. So I am going to be going in and spraying all of the curtains and the sofa cushions and everything with that because it just smells gorgeous. And of course I'm going to be using my Christmassy Minky today. Absolutely love this, but like I said, everything I get from B&M, so I always look for bargains, and all of this is super affordable, and it just does such an amazing job at cleaning everything but also making your house smell incredible. So I'm just gonna start off by doing the laundry today with the Mrs. Hinch Winter Edition.
Because I'm falling just like the snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round, in a row, just like the snowflakes, falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Just like the snowflakes, tumbling down.
So my next job is to sort out all of the washing up, and no matter how many times in a day I wash up, there's still always washing up to be done. So I'm going to go ahead and put the stuff that I did last night away and then crack on with the few bits that are left this morning, just so I can then go in and give the sink a good clean.
No, I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you. We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long, though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I missed your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel?
So once that's all done, it's then time to clean the sink, and honestly cleaning the sink is one of my favourite things to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with the Cif cream just to get off any of the stubborn stains or anything that's stuck on, and I'm also going to be using my Christmassy Minky to scrub off any stains that are on there. I absolutely love the Minkies, and you can't beat a Christmas Minky, so I'm just going to go over it all, scrub it all down and give it a good clean.
Just talking on the phone, I make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side. Whoa.
Next, I'm just going to go in with a dry microfiber cloth to get off all of the bubbles. I know that you can use the opposite side of the minky, but for some reason I just love using a dry cloth. I think it really buffs it up a lot more than using the wet one. So I'm just going to go around everything and wipe off all the bubbles. I'm then going to go back in with the white vinegar spray and really buff it up. The white vinegar spray, it just makes everything super shiny, and you know I love a super shiny sink.
Just wanna have a holiday, yeah, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday.
So now the sink is looking super shiny. It's time to fill it up with the Sephora in the warm cinnamon scent. I just love doing this. It makes the whole kitchen smell gorgeous. So once I've filled it up, I'm going to wipe down all of the sides and the cupboards and everything with the diluted Sephora just to disinfect everything and make everything smell amazing.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe.
Next, I'm going to go over all the appliances with the white vinegar spray, as well as the cupboard handles, just to make them super shiny. I love doing this. It really buffs it up and it just leaves everything shiny for longer. It's another tip that I picked up from Mrs. Hinch, and I love doing this now. I think it just really buffs everything up. So if you do have anything chrome, mirrored or glass, I definitely recommend that you use the white vinegar spray on it, because it just makes it look amazing.
I'd come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Hey.
So I'm now going to go over my hob using the Flash all-purpose spray. It's not been too long since I've given the hob a good deep clean, so it's really not that bad. I've just got to give it a wipe over and get rid of any crumbs and just dust and stuff that lands on the top of it. And I'm also going to be doing the splashback as well. And really, I just wanted to add the fragrance in, because you know I'm a sucker for a good fragrance, and the spiced apple flash scent just smells amazing. So I just wanted to give the hob a quick wipe over just to freshen it up a little bit.
May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live, the dream.
And to finish off the kitchen, I just wanted to give it a quick hoover and a mop just to freshen up the floors and make it smell amazing. I am going to add the hoover and the mop down in the description below, so if you want to check those out, they'll be down there. I definitely do recommend both of them, and I love adding my favourite Sephora scent into the steam mop, because it just makes the whole room smell amazing. So I am going to link both of those products down in the description below.
Nimbly, did you hear something?
So I'm now heading through into the living room, and I just want to freshen this room up, add some nice fragrance and get it feeling nice and cozy. So the first thing I'm going to do is give it a good dust, because I love how everything feels once it's been dusted and it just smells super clean and fresh. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe down all of the TV stand and underneath where the Xbox and everything is, and just make it nice and fresh.
The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you. La da da da, oh oh, la da da da, oh oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
So I'm now going to go ahead and fill up a spray bottle with some diluted softener. I'm going to be using the same Mrs. Hinch Winter Edition because it smells incredible. And I'm just going to go around spraying the sofa and the curtains. I love doing the sofa and cushions because as soon as you sit down, you just get a burst of fragrance and it smells gorgeous.
With Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning.
So now the downstairs is nice and clean and smelling like a Christmas wonderland. It's time to sort out the bedroom. Not a lot needs doing in here because I have recently given it a good deep clean and changed the bed in. So it just needs a good tidy up, getting everything off the floor, making the bed and having a nice dust just to get it nice and fresh. I'm also going to be using the same Airwick freshener up here because the spiced apple smells amazing and I want to try and get the same fragrance throughout the whole house. So I'm just going to go around the bedroom and neaten everything up.
Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la da da da, oh oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do. If I spend it with you, just you and nobody else. It's so
I really hope you've enjoyed this Christmas clean with me and I hope you are having an incredible Christmas. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads and I will see you back here in the next one.
you.